important to wear your seatbelt and what your seatbelt does for you. So Chelsea wanted to just let you know a little something about what she learned.
Never wear your seatbelt under your arm or behind your back because it could go through your organs and break your back.
Does anybody have any questions? Does everybody understand why you should put your seatbelt behind your back or under your arm? Now, if a little girl like this can remember why it's important to wear your seatbelt, then I'm sure that every single person in this room should understand its importance. And never drink and drive, right, Chelsea?
Right.
Got it.